Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today we'll look at how to find the distances between 2 points of a line segment and how to find the midpoint of a line segment. Today we'll look at various examples with solution that involves how to find the distance or the length between 2 points of a line segment, and also how to find the midpoints of a line joining 2 points. So we'll answer each of these questions one after the other. Let's start with finding the distances or lengths between the following pair of points. Find the distances between the following pair of points. Let's take the first one. A and B are two distinct points which have coordinates x1, y1 for point A, while point B has x2, y2 respectively. The distance between these 2 points, that is point A and B, can be calculated using the following formula. D equal the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now we'll calculate the distance between these 2 points by substituting each of these values into our formula. We have x2, our x2 value is 5 minus x1 1, then square, plus y2 4 minus y1 7 square. Square root of 5 minus 1 gives 4, then square, plus 4 minus 7 gives minus 3 square. 4 square 16 plus negative 3 square gives 9. 16 plus 9 25. Square root of 25 5. Therefore, the distance or the length between point A and B is 5. If you are getting value, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now let's find the distance between this pair of points, that is point C and point D. Using our formula, we have D equal the square root of x2. Our x2 value is negative 2 minus x1. Our x1 value is 3 square plus y2 minus y1 square. We have square root of minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 square plus minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 square. Square of negative 5 25 plus square of negative 8. We have square root of 25 plus 64 89. So the distance between point C and point D is equal root 89, which is equivalent to 9.43. Now let's answer question number 3. Let's find the distance between E and F. Using our formula, we have x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus 7 minus y1 3 square. We have square root of 2 minus times minus 1 plus 1 square plus minus 7 minus 3 minus 10, then square. 2 plus 1 3 square plus negative 10 square 100. 3 square plus 100. 9 plus 100. So the distance between E and F is equal to square root of 109. Let's also solve 3 questions from this part, asking us to find the midpoints of the lines joining the following pairs of points. Now let's start with question 1. This is the formula used in calculating the midpoint of a line joining the following pairs of points. x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. At point A, the x1 is 3 plus x2. x2 value is 1 divided by 2. y1 value is 5 plus y2. y2 value is 3 divided by 2 equal to 3 plus 1. 4 divided by 2, 2, comma, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 divided by 2. Therefore, the midpoints of the lines joining A and B, that is this point, is 2, 4. Now let's answer the second question, which asks us to find the midpoints of the lines joining C and D. So following our formula, our x1 is negative 1 plus x2. x2 is negative 3 divided by 2, comma, y1 value is 7 plus y2 divided by 2 equal to minus 1. Positive times negative 3, negative 3 over 2, comma, 7. Positive times negative 5 over 2. Minus 1 minus 3 gives minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2, comma, 7 minus 5, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Therefore, the midpoint of the lines joining this pair of points is minus 2 and 1. Now, let's solve question number 3. Using our formula, the xy value is 2 plus x2 value divided by 2, y1 value is 5 plus y2 value is 3 divided by 2, 2 plus 6, 8 divided by 2, 4, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 divided by 2, 4. Therefore, the midpoint of this line joining the pair of points E and F is 4, 4. If you are getting value from this video, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Remember, your comment is important to us. Thank you. Let's answer question number 4, which asks us to find the distance between these 2 points, that is G and H. We have square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 value 6 minus y1 2 square, square root of 4 minus 3 square plus 6 minus 2, 4 square, 1 square, 1 plus 4 square, 1 plus 16. Therefore, the distance between this pair of points is root 17. Now, let's find the distance between point J and K. Applying our formula, our x2 value is negative 4 minus x1 value 5 square plus y2 negative 2 minus y1 negative 8 square minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 square plus minus 2 minus times minus 8 positive 8 square negative 9 square plus minus 2 plus 8 6 square 81 plus 6 square 81 plus 36 gives 117. Therefore, the distance between J and K is root 117. Now, let's find the distance between point M and point N. S2 value is 2 minus S1 value negative 3 square plus Y2 minus Y1 negative 4 square 2 minus times negative 3 positive 3 square plus 8 minus times minus 4 positive 4 square 2 plus 3 5 square plus 8 plus 4 12 square 5 square 12 square 25 plus 144 169 square root of 169 13. Therefore, the distance between M and N is 13. If at this point you are yet to like this video and subscribe to my channel, please kindly do that as subscription is free. Thank you. Now, let's find the midpoints of the lines joining point G and point H. Applying this formula, we have x1 4 plus x2 2 divided by 2, comma, y1 4 plus y2 negative 6 over 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 divided by 2, 3, comma, 4, positive times negative 6 gives negative 6, therefore 4 minus 6, minus 2, so minus 2 divided by 2, minus 1. Therefore, the midpoint of the lines joining point G and point H is 3 and minus 1. Before we proceed to finding the midpoint of the line joining point J and K, please, if you are yet to like this video and subscribe to my channel, please kindly do that as subscription is free. Thank you. Now, let's find the midpoint of the lines joining point J and point K. Looking at our formula, we have x1. Our x1 value here is negative 6 plus x2 value 0 divided by 2, comma, y1 value is 4 plus y2 value 0 divided by 2, negative 6 plus 0, negative 6, negative 6 divided by 2, negative 3, comma, 4 plus 0, 4, divided by 2, 2. Therefore, the midpoint of the lines joining point J and K is negative 3 and 2. Now, let's answer the final question that asks us to find the midpoints of the lines joining point M and point N. Applying our formula, we have x1 plus x2 minus 5 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 negative 1 divided by 2. You have minus 2 here. Plus times negative 5 gives negative 5 divided by 2, comma, you have 3. Plus times minus 1 divided by 2. equal to minus 2 minus 5 gives minus 7 over 2, comma, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Therefore, the midpoint of the lines joining points M and N is negative 7 over 2, comma, 1. Please like if you found this video helpful. Comment with any questions or topics you would want us to cover in future video. Share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.